How do I change my macros in the MyFitnessPal app? I'll show you that step by step coming up. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. So, the first thing we'll do is open up the MyFitnessPal app, lower right hand corner, click more, look down where it says goals, click that, then you can add in the calories and macros. Then click calories, carbs, proteins, and fats. You can add in the total calories and proportions of macronutrients, carbs, proteins, and fats by swiping a little wheel. So if you enjoyed that, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay updated on me, as well as get a whole bunch of fitness and nutrition advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a link to some videos I think you might be interested